Hessair's M250 is the best and most effective cooler on the market, for its size. It's compact and yet packs a powerful blast of cooling with a patented wing prop design and 3 panels of high-density rigid media. Take it on the go easily with its 4 casters. It features oscillating louvers to cover a wide area quietly and efficiently. The manual controls make it easy for you to adjust between the 4 temperature settings to obtain optimal cooling anywhere you take the M250 evaporative cooler. Cooling the air is only a part of the process. Propelling the chilled air into your space is what brings you needed relief. Specially engineered features from Hessair allow this mobile evaporative cooler to provide an airflow of 5,300 CFM to your area. Proprietary fan propeller design with winglets throws the blast of cool air further and yet is very quiet. Additionally, the air swing delivery system moves cool air left to right across the room to ensure that air is evenly distributed. Key operational points. The pump must be primed per instructions prior to use. Your cooler must be positioned in front of an open window or door if it is to operate effectively. Always ensure that there is another open window or door through which the air can exhaust from the room. Ensure the filter is kept clean throughout the summer season. At the end of each day, run your cooler on fan only for 30 minutes to dry out the filter prior to putting your cooler away for winter. Always. A. Drain the tank and wipe out clean. B. Clean the filter. C. Reassemble and run on fan only for 30 minutes to dry out the filter. Assembly required. Hessair coolers are pre-assembled and ready to operate. Simply remove the packaging and then carefully remove the unit from the box. Install casters. Lock the 2 locking wheels before filling and turning on the fan to keep the cooler from moving from the air velocity. Wheels, casters, and any other components for assembly are nested at the bottom of the unit. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Portable. 4 heavy-duty locking casters for cooling home, patio or workshop spaces up to 1,600 square feet. Number 2. Compact yet powerful. 46 by 17 by 28 inches. 5,300 cubic feet per minute. CFM, 3 fan speeds and oscillating louvers to ensure even distribution, wide coverage, and comfort. Number 3. Easy to operate and simple to maintain. 3 simple rotary controls allow the fan, off, high, med, low, pump, on, off, and oscillation motor, on, off, to be controlled independently. Number 4. Manual and continuous fill. Utilize the continuous fill option by attaching a household hose with the included float adapter, eliminating the need to manually watch and fill the water tank. Number 5. Supercharged, economical cooling. 3-sided rigid high-density cooling pads for increased evaporative surface area generating cooler air, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.